Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm one of the GPs here at Doctor Care Anywhere, and I want to give you some quick fire tips for looking after your children when they have coughs, colds, and maybe a temperature. Hydration. Encourage them to eat little and often, but don't force them with food. Hydration is more important than food. Lots of rest. Use Vicks Vapor Rub to help them with nasal decongestion. And don't forget to utilise Calpol and ibuprofen because they can have aches and pains, sore throats and headaches just like we can when we have a cough or cold. I hope they soon feel better.